Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video in this very hot day. So please excuse my hair. All I did in the morning was shower and so now it's all frizzy and nasty and it's all over the place. But what we have for today's video, it is our Boxycharm premium box for the month of August. So for those of you that don't know about this box here, it is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size items and is said to be worth at least $175 per box. So whatever I have in here that is makeup and I can try on my face, I will go ahead and do so on the second part of the video. But for now, I'm gonna go in and take out all the items that we got for the month. So let's see, hopefully it's worth at least our $35. So off the bat, we have our little paper here with our product information. And this one just says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. So pretty much a lot of different summer things that are fun to do, especially right now that we can't really do anything. So let's just see what we have inside. Of course, we have the product information on this side with MSRP prices. And then this one I have the little heart and the 52. So I don't know if that's variation 52. This box has been very different lately. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to start with this one. This is from MAC and I actually do not own anything from MAC. So this is the satin lipstick in the shade Mocha. So I'm assuming it's going to be a nice, pretty brown, or at least I hope it is. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's like your typical little MAC bullet. So let me see the shade. Ooh, yeah, that's a little, not a little, that's like a pretty cinnamon color. So quick swatch there. Almost smells like vanilla, or it almost smells like cinnamony. I don't know if it's just me thinking of the color. So first item, not bad. Up next, I'm going to go for this one from Fenty Beauty, and it looks like it's a brush. This is not the first time we get the Fenty stuff in the box. At one point, we got all Fenty stuff in one of the premium boxes, which was actually pretty cool. So this is a very tiny brush. This is contour and concealer brush. So let me this is the packaging, is their typical Fenty packaging with their multiple edges. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a hexagon. And when you open it, it has a little thing that goes up and down. But even when it goes down, this is still pretty small. So I don't know. So it says contour and concealer. So we'll see which one it'll work best with. And then we have this one here from Milk Makeup. Is that, yeah, Milk Makeup. This is the Longwear Gel Eyeliner in bonus. So I'm not sure what color that would be. Oh, okay. It has a smudger on one end. And, oh, that's a pretty color. It looks like it's a nice coppery color. So it has, ooh, that, are you kidding me? It just broke off. I don't know if it's too hot. Like I mentioned earlier, it's hot outside, but it's not like this was sitting in the heat. Even when I brought it over in the car, the AC was on it. It literally just broke. Wow, okay. I'm able to like put it back in just because a pretty good chunk broke off, but I'm afraid that it's gonna come, okay, it didn't come out this time. But I mean, it's broken already, gosh. Okay, and then we have a little smudger. So, oh wow, this is very, look at that. It's not coming off. That's crazy. Okay, well, at least I know it's a good product, but the fact that it just broke, like, come on. Wow. Okay, let's move on. Let's keep going. I'm going to go for this one here, and it is from Too Faced. This is the Born This Way setting powder in translucent. So this is a really big setting powder. So this is it here. This is the packaging. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this. It's been around for some time. And so I'm just going to get to try it out this time here. So I like that it has one of these because you can open it and close it. And when you put the lid on, it doesn't go like all over like on the lid or anything like that. So that's another one. We're actually getting a lot of makeup related items. So let's see. Up next, we have this one from, I never know how to pronounce this one. Ole Henriksen. It is, let me see, Banana Bright Face Primer. So that is the box. And if I remember correctly, this one I actually got to choose it because with Boxycharm, when you're a premium member, you get to choose one item that they will, you know, for sure put in your box. And I think this is the item that I actually chose. So I've been hearing a lot about this brand that I wanted to try it because I've never tried this one either. So this is the primer. It does come out like banana-y looking color or like a yellowish tint. So I'm gonna see what this does to my skin. Ooh, it smells like orange. It's like, it smells citrusy. It smells really good. So I'm gonna use that under my foundation once I do my makeup and see what difference it makes on my skin. And then I think we're down to the last item, something in bubble wrap. I would drop it after I take the bubble wrap off. It is from Ciate London. It's the Editor Palette, New England, 18-piece eyeshadow palette. I keep saying for everything, I keep saying the same thing for all the products that I take out. But that is one of the reasons why I love getting these boxes, because they really do give you different items. And these are all items that I've never tried before. So it's not like, you know, I've already tried these and I'm just like, oh, well, now I have a duplicate. Like, no, these are all items that I haven't tried from either the brand or that style, you know, so I really like it. Ooh, these are really pretty colors. So this is it here. The bottom is a huge mirror, and we have 18 colors. We have mattes, we have metallics, and then some, I think this would be called like a satin kind of color, where it does have a little bit of a gleam. I think that's what you would call it, and not completely matte. So we have some really pretty colors. I don't know what I'm gonna use here, but they all look really, really pretty. So this one was the last item from the box. Now we are going to, oh wait, no, really quick, let me give you MSRP prices. So Cindy? So this Banana Bright Face Primer, MSRP is $38. Our Ciate London New England Editor Palette, $32. The Too Faced Born This Way Setting Powder, $33. The MAC Cosmetics Satin Lipstick is $19. Our little pencil here that Brooke has, the Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner is $22. And then the very last item, because they're magnetic, the very last item from Fenty Beauty, the Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. This one is $24. So that gives us a grand total of $168. Is it supposed to be at least $175? I will go online and I will confirm. But that's what I remember, unless I'm wrong, unless it's 150, but 168 doesn't sound right. But I will double check and I'll go ahead and put it here if I'm wrong or not. And if I'm wrong, I'll go ahead and put what it should be, so we all know. So now, with that out of the way, let's move on to the try-on portion. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the face primer. I don't even want to keep saying the name because I don't know how to pronounce it. If it's Ole Henriksen, that's what I'm gonna go with. So I'm gonna try this one as my primer. Oh, it smells so good. Smells like oranges. Smells citrusy. It feels very moisturizing. It really does. So that feels really good. That feels really good on my skin. So with the primer down, now really quick, let me put on my foundation so we can go ahead and try this brush. So now it's time to blend the concealer with my tiny little brush. So let's see how this does. Like I said, I thought it was too small for contour. But you know what? It actually looks like it's doing a really good job with the foundation. No, not the foundation, with the concealer. It feels nice and dense. And it's not absorbing much of the concealer. And it's blending it really, really nice. You know what? I actually really like this for the concealer. I feel like it did a pretty good job blending this out. So with that down, I like to set my foundation before I put on any other things on my face. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go with the Born This Way powder. I'm gonna take some out on my lid. And then with my brush, just, you know, like we normally do, just sweep it all over the face. Okay, so we are ready to move into our eyeshadow palette. So let's see what we should start with. And we don't have any shade names at all on here. So I'm just gonna start with this one here, the bottom corner. I'm gonna dust that one all over the lid just to get a base. Then I'm gonna go into this brown one here, and I'm gonna go just a little bit lower from what I went on right now on the lid, just to darken up more closer to the crease, but a little bit higher, so with my hooded eyes, that way you can still see it. These colors are really, really soft and really, really blendable. I'm really liking the way that these colors are going, especially now that everybody has to wear a mask. It doesn't seem like anybody is wearing such, you know, glam looks because of the mask. You know, it covers most of your face when you have it on, and then when you take it off, if you have any makeup under, all of your makeup stuck to your mask. So it, you know, a lot of the times it's not even worth going full glam with the look because it's just going to end up on your mask. Obviously, eyes are a little bit different because the mask doesn't cover your eyes, but it almost doesn't make sense, or, you know, you'll look a little bit weird if you have a full eye look, but then you have no makeup on the bottom half of your face. So I'm just going with this green one here. I'm actually going to go in with my finger because I wasn't getting the pigment I wanted with the brush. Oh yeah, that's really pretty with the finger. It's a really nice green, but it does have a golden undertone, so it's really, really pretty. And I'm just putting this one all over the lid. I really, really like this green. It's really pretty. So just to enhance that gold undertone that it has, I'm going to go with this golden color here. Again, just with my finger. And I'm just going to tap it here right in the center of my eyeball, just to bring out a little bit more of that golden undertone. That's really pretty. And they're all layering really well on top of each other. So then I'm gonna grab I already have it all three. I'm gonna grab this eyeliner that I got and hope that it doesn't fall apart on me again and then make a mess. I'm just gonna do the eyeliner and try to smudge it a little bit with this smudger and see what that looks like. Because when I tried to smudge it and when I swatched it on my hand, it dried really, really fast and it didn't really smudge. So let's see how this one comes out. Once you set the color down, it does not smudge. I tried to smudge it, but it didn't really do anything. So just keep that in mind. The color dries up really, really fast. And it's a good thing because it's not going to go anywhere throughout the day, but I did want to smudge the color, kind of diffuse it a little bit. That didn't work. So then I'm just going to grab some of this darker brown. So with that color, I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to grab a small brush. I'll grab this pencil brush, see how that works. I'm going to go back into the green and add some of that green to the bottom lash line as well. And just a little bit of the gold and the closer to the corner of the eye, and then just kind of like spread it a little bit, not too much. Okay, I forgot I needed eyebrows too, so I went ahead and did those. And now our very last thing to try on, it is our MAC lipstick. So I already like the color. Now it's just a matter of how it wears and how long it actually lasts. This color goes on really, really nice. It's super soft, really creamy, and it's really pigmented. So, and also it also feels very hydrating, and I like that it's not a complete like matte color, and it's also not super glossy. Like, it's a really nice in between. I'm really liking that one. So with that one being the last product on my face, we're all done with all the items that we got on here. Overall, I really liked this box. The items that we got were all really good items. They were new to me, and I think worth the price of the box that we paid. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. But that means I am all done here. I will be back really soon with another video. Maybe a try on, maybe just an unboxing. I will see, and you guys will see later on as well, whatever I decide to do. So that is all for me for today. Again, I will be back really soon, and I hope I see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.